Samsung is about to change the flagship game again. While the S25 Ultra was a solid refinement, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is looking like the massive leap we've been waiting for. We're talking about a custom-tuned elite processor, a screen that fights the sun, and a camera system that's finally catching up to professional rigs. Today, we're breaking down the leaked release dates, the Ultra specs, and why this might be the most expensive Galaxy yet. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about that view. The S26 Ultra is rumored to bump the screen size up to a massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel. But don't worry about the bulk. Samsung is using new color-on encapsulation tech to keep the body thinner and lighter than ever. We're also looking at a record-shattering 3,000 nits of peak brightness. Whether you're under the midday sun or in a dark room, this LTPO 3.0 display will scale from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, and potentially 144 Hz with ease. And for the build, expect Grade 5 titanium to return, but with even more rounded, ergonomic edges for a better grip. Under the hood, this thing is a beast. While base models might see a return to Exynos in some regions, the S26 Ultra is expected to ship globally with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This chip is built on a 3nm process and is rumored to hit clock speeds of 5.0 GHz. What does that mean for you? Near-instant AI processing with One UI. 8.5. We're expecting live video AI that can up-res your footage in real time and even smarter. Circle-to-search features. Pair that with up to 16 GB of RAM, and this isn't just a phone, it's a pocket-sized workstation. The camera story is a mix of familiarity and big upgrades. We're keeping the 200 MP main sensor, but it's getting a faster ISP for better low-light video. The real hero is the new 12 MP 3x telephoto lens, replacing the old 10 MP sensor for much sharper portraits. And for power, we're finally seeing a move toward faster charging. Leaks suggest a jump to 60W wired charging, paired with a 5,000 to 5,500 mAh battery. It's not the fastest in the world, but it's a much-needed step up for Samsung fans.